Are you making these common mistakes in CLM? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Blake and welcome back to my corner. Today, we will be discussing about some common mistakes people do in CLM. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get updated on all things gaming related. Now let's get back to the video. Making mistakes are usually common, especially in a fresh game like CLM. I myself am also guilty in making these mistakes. Learning them early is essential in order to move forward in the game. Here are 3 common mistakes that you should avoid in CLM right now. Number 1. Killing the same field boss. If you've already been playing the game, you already know about field bosses. They are spawned multiple times in a day, and they are essential in giving out points for your shield's ranking. The common mistake that people do is killing the same boss multiple times. Killing one is already enough, and that will give you the rewards for ranking. Killing another of the same boss does not give you anything, regardless if you get a higher ranking or not. Early in the game, I go with the flow of the mob and kill everything. But sooner I learned that no rewards were given by killing the same boss. My advice is to go to the next boss in order to save more time for your farming. Number 2. Equipping unusable skills. Our characters have a variety of skills in their arsenal. Unlocking them is essential in getting high damages. This also helps out in increasing our combat power. However, the common mistake that people do is equipping an unusable skill. Unlocking a new skill doesn't always mean getting stronger, and that is because of the mana that is required to use a skill. The higher the skill is, the higher the mana that is required to use it. If you lack the mana pool for all your skills, then you might be missing out in your damage rotations. My character, for example, currently has a mana pool of 1,476. I have these skills that consume 1,501 and 1,546 mana respectively. You can see that these skills are not highlighted, which means these skills can't be used due to low or no mana. My advice is to level up your existing skills first, and once you have the mana pool to support your higher skills, then you can include them in your rotation. Number 3. Early game appraisal. Appraisal is a feature where you can get additional stat boosts in your equipments, pets, and costumes. However, the item needed for this is not free-to-play friendly. It is a difficult item to acquire if you are not spending in the game. You can get a few appraisal through login events. Other than that, there is no reliable daily quest to get it. The most common mistakes that people do is appraising your early game gears. Appraisal is really hard to attain in the game, so using it wisely is the best choice. My advice is to use your appraisal once you have your late game gears. Using it on your purple rarity gears or for daily quests is such a waste. Be sure to save your appraisal once you have your legendary equipments crafted. Pets are also a good choice to appraise first, since having an endgame pet is easier to attain first right now. Only appraise your gears and costumes once you are sure you will be using them long term. Did you learn something new? Or do you want to share your common mistakes too? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more gaming content. Hope to see you again here in my corner. Sayonara! Goodbye! Paalam!